is over a week ever since we announced the beginning of our July giveaway to all active subscribers in this channel, and today will be the first Friday, which our first weekly giveaway will be announced. We want first of all thank everyone subscribing to our channel, and also everyone supporting this channel in one way or the other. Remember what we said in the giveaway announcement video, that no one is gonna win the weekly $150 giveaway twice, so if you don't win this week, then you will definitely win next week. All you have to do is to be active in every you can. If you don't know how to be the most active subscriber, then you need to watch our giveaway announcement video, and have it in mind that we would try as much as possible to do a giveaway every month, because we have many gadgets we aren't using anymore, so we bought and did use them any longer, and some we bought and made use of it when it was needed, while some were gifted to us but it is just there without us using it. So be ready for giveaways, because it can be any time and unannounced. We want to say that this week was so competitive, but we still had someone who was the most active subscriber. We don't know if the person is male or female, so let's just use he for the person, but please don't get offended if you happen to be female. So the winner of the giveaway is Willie Giant. He was able to watch a total of 19 videos, which is all the videos on our channel, and has a total of 19 likes and 2 comments and a total number of 1012 shares, which is so amazing. We want to say a very big thank you to Willie Giant, and from our database software. Willie is from Philippines, so Willie Giant, you are going to send us your PayPal email address or any mobile payment method working for you that we can be able to send your money, because right now, we are owing you, but we would prefer PayPal. Willie Giant, thank you for being among the Odinaka family. And that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and become an active subscriber like Willie Giant, and hopefully, you will be able to win at the end of the month, which extraordinary. Once more thank you to everyone who is part of this family. See you next video.